is our last day. It is checkout day. We are on our way to go get some breakfast before we start packing up and get in the shower and all that. So, let me show you what they're offering us today. Like I said, we missed dinner last night again.
I'm gonna get your French toast.
Today we have strawberry
Yeah.
Danish, multi-grain. That looks good. We have lox again. Okay, we'll get you egg, but we have French toast sticks. Lucia loves French toast sticks, right?
Okay. Look, I got your French toast.
Ooh, and an egg white, spinach frittata. Everything looks delicious. Alright, so I got the frittata. I don't know why my camera's not focusing very well. French toast sticks, the Danish, the little pork sausage, and the lox. You gonna eat your French toast sticks?
Then we go to Halloween party.
Yeah, we went yesterday. Huh? Alright, we're back from breakfast. We're about to clean up, so let's show you that process of how we clean up now. I don't want to leave, but we got a late checkout for 12:30, so that's great. And the driver's picking us up at 2:30, so we do have some time. We technically have Club Bubble until midnight tonight, but our flight is at 5:25, so we will be leaving. But yeah, so we can enjoy Club Bubble basically until we have to leave. Alright, we're getting ready to go here. Checkout's at 12:30. It's like in 8 minutes.
I spell it, Mommy.
What's our rating?
I spell it, Mommy.
45.5.
Okay, good. Don't spill, Mama. Don't spill. Okay? Alright, take a family picture. Alright, as you can see, I'm showered to look much better. Lucia, please watch out. Oh, Lord. So last night we text them the concierge service when we were at the Mickey's Not So Scary. So hey, we're not gonna be here. And they told us, they recommended that we do that actually. So we were not gonna be in time because they closed the concierge service at 10. So they send up. We say, oh, can you bring some desserts? So I was thinking they were gonna bring us a couple. They ended up bringing us a whole tray, which was super nice. So anyway, we're getting all ready to go here. Our driver's not picking us up till 2:30, so we're just gonna hang out and enjoy the Club Level offerings, I guess. So, goodbye, Wilderness Lodge. We'll see you again soon. I think this is gonna be my favorite. I really think this is my favorite. I don't know why. Something about it. Just like the close proximity to Magic Kingdom, and you know, it's just really nice. Lucia, what was your favorite hotel?
The castle.
The castle one? Uh-oh.
Good? Say bye, Castle.
Bye, Castle View.
That came from
Bye, Castle View. So sad. Well, checkout day is sad enough as it is. It's always sad to leave Disney, but especially sad today because
Mommy, what's that?
we have this beautiful view, and my lens is fogging up, so I'm about to disappear. Hold on.
That castle room.
Oh no. Bye, Disney. Bye, Magic Kingdom.
There's Mommy work and Daddy work.
Oh, I would love it if Mommy and Daddy worked there. What, the Contemporary or the Castle?
Contemporary. Contemporary.
Alright, ready to go?
Yes.
Alright, so we're checking out now. We are heading on over to the club level access, like little lounge area at the Old Faithful Club. You can get a little caddy thing, but my husband's stubborn. You can also get a bellman. Again, my husband's stubborn. All right, Jose, moment of truth. How was your Disney week?
It was okay.
Have I
Great.
enticed you to become a Disney dad?
Well, I'm actually here because of the little one. She just turned 3, so of course. So she had a great time though.
But what about you? Did you have a great time?
Of course, absolutely.
Would you come back? Did you like this stay better than your previous stays at Disney? Did I entice you, or it's the same? Jose is not
probably
a
the
Disney
same.
fan.
The same, I guess.
All right, so I failed at my evil plot.
But I mean, I'm glad the baby had fun though. She had a good time.
All right, so out of all 3 hotels, we stayed at 3. Okay, so out of the 3 Disney Deluxe hotels that we stayed first at Animal Kingdom Lodge, then we went to Yacht Club, then we went to Wilderness Lodge. What was your favorite?
I'll say this one that we're currently in, Wilderness Lodge.
Is that because we stayed club level, or?
Yeah, it's club level, but I think the hotel's a lot nicer. And I like by the fact that you have the ferry here to take to Magic Kingdom. The pool was nice too, but I'll say Yacht Club, the pool was a lot better compared to here. But Yacht Club is great for adults, I'll say, because Yacht Club you can literally walk to Epcot, so it's like Epcot's right there. So I think that's, but again, like kids too with the pool and all, the big slide, maybe teenagers, I guess, you know, the baby, she didn't want to go in the slide. I mean, you were pretty scared.
I was.
Which I didn't.
Maybe I had to go again because I didn't know what to expect.
Yeah. And then the first one is great for kids, you know, with the animals, the giraffes and all. So.
Because you liked it. I think you liked it initially, and then as soon
I kind of liked it initially, but compared to this is a lot. Like, you know, it's almost kind of like the same. There's more like cabin-like over there. It's like Africa, I guess, theme-like, but. Yeah, I think it's a lot better here. Yeah, club level's nice.
So
it's nice.
So is that how we stay going forward? We just do club level?
No, because I say if you're gonna be all day at the park, there's no need to stay at club level, because if you're gonna be at club level, you want to make sure you stay here to enjoy everything.
Unless we come back for like lunch or dinner.
Yeah, but. Well, we met that guy last night. He said he was gonna rope drop this morning to
and they stay.
What did he say? Hollywood Studio?
I don't remember what they said. Yeah.
Yeah, he was like, and I was gonna say why. Like,
I saw them
I didn't even know if they were at club level.
I saw them this morning.
Yeah, I think if you're gonna be at the park all day, you might as well just find like the most basic hotel room to stay in, because you're not gonna be in the room all day.
Here, eat that.
But over here, it's definitely nice if you're gonna spend time.
Oh, we're leaving. Like really sweaty. Alright, so our driver's here. We're getting in the car. We're running to the airport. Yes, my daughter's still using a bottle. Yeah, it's really great time. Bye, Disney. Alright, we just made it to the airport. Alright, we're through security. We're gonna go get something to eat and wait for our flight. We got in like an hour and a half, I think. So, yeah. Oh, why did we have to leave? It's so hard. I hate Disney departure day. It sucks.
Yeah,
every city, every place. Oh, always been a restless girl. Oh, but now there's a wind of change. I've never ever felt this way. Longing for you.